Good morning, you guys. Welcome to My Future Success. It is Thursday this morning, currently here at 9:47 a.m. I want to show you guys a trade that I'm currently in. This is live right now. This is my entry here on my take profit accounts. 20,132.25. This represents the entry that I got in this morning. What I ended up doing, and this is actually the only trade that I've taken so far this morning, ended up getting a strong bullish candle here, basically our triple greens. You guys remember the triple G's and triple R's. This ended up having a candle close. I tried entering it at close. Market came down a little bit, so this was actually my entry into it. So I get this question a lot too is, and let's go over here. This is actually the current price where it's at. I got to scroll up here a little bit. Currently sitting up about, looks like $1,400 currently on this trade, but we'll keep an eye on this. What I end up doing, you guys, and this is what I would actually highly recommend. I'll show you guys exactly in a moment where to grab these metrics, give shout outs to new people who have joined here on our team. And the thing is, when you're in long trades like this and your profit wave, what I want you to do is just make sure at candle close, if at candle close at any time, these dots end up closing below your profit wave, that is actually just the indication to look to get out of that trade. At no point during this, it got close. It really did get close here, but we just stayed above this profit wave the entire time. So when you're entering into trades, can be your entry. If you didn't take this one right here on the trade over, this could have been it right here on this spot. And then I'll also go over, let's say you end up getting in on this trade here. All the metrics were in line. Not going to lie, this was actually a really good sell signal here. The price just ended up coming back, and it ended up taking a stop out here of about, let's take a look, 5 points on NQ. That's totally okay. We then enter back in. Even if you hadn't got in on this signal that I took this morning, currently this one right now, actually up almost 28 points in the market. So even with a 5 loss, you're still up 23 points in the market so far this morning, just off of this last buy signal, which is just really good. So I want to get on here, guys, and actually see if I could close this out live with you and just stay within this trade as long as possible until we get those metrics switching. Just to show you just really good risk management. So if at any point during this video, this price, this white dot, ends up closing below this line here, I'm just going to exit out of the trade. If it ends up keep going up higher and higher, that's going to be totally fine. And you guys remember, I wait till candle close. So when this switches over to a new minute, I technically have a minute to do whatever I want. So what I'm going to do in this next minute, when this does end up closing until we get our next candles, I'm actually going to give a shout out to a lot of new people who actually end up just joining in the last 24 hours on our team here. And then I'll also go over and show you guys exactly where to grab these metrics so you can start seeing success like this yourself. Okay, candle is closed. Guys, let's go over here. My Future Success. This is actually a link in the description below where you guys can grab all of this literally immediately today. This is a lifetime access on all of these metrics. Go ahead and update this in a second here for people that have joined just in the last couple of days. So it looks like another 13 here. So you guys, let me give a shout out here real quick, just to new people. Daryl, Artmis, TJ, Marlon, Andrew, Trayvon, Joseph, Jofi. Let's go through a couple more here. Baldwin, Thomas. I'm actually going to scroll down here even further to even more updated ones. Mike, thank you so much for joining. Jeffrey, Jose, Philip, Angel, Sean, Daniel, Robert, 2 Roberts actual, Ismail, John, 2 Johns, Sergio, Denroy, and Patrick. You guys, all these guys end up doing was actually going over here and clicking I want this to grab these metrics. Because I also do one-on-one trainings that have been really helpful for a lot of people. I'm actually now currently booked out 2 weeks. So this week and actually all of next week is currently booked out. But if you guys would like to get something on the books for the following week, I can absolutely do that and do so. While you're over here, take a look at the 5-star ratings that we have. One actually just came in just 23 hours ago. There's 47 5-star ratings here. See if any of these actually relate to yourself. But you guys, let's get back over to the charts real quick. Let's not miss out on this. All right, here we go. Price has actually gone even higher up, which is good. At no point during this so far has price actually come below and actually closed with this. This is still really good. If this ends up coming below, I'm going to literally close this out live with you guys. So this may be a longer video here, but I'd rather this be a longer video to show you guys exactly what I'm doing in the market. 12 seconds left. You guys, this actually could be right here. If this ends up coming down and closing below this right here, we have 6 seconds left. I'm going to go and exit out. But again, if this white dot ends up staying above this profit wave here, perfect, we're staying in. We got to wait another minute here. So guys, this is what I'm doing every day in, day out, looking at these metrics in the market to see where's the best entries, where's the best stop losses, and just managing trades like this, literally taking every buy and sell signal for its face value and just running with that. Actually a few great trades earlier this morning. Great buy signal, great sell signal, another sell, another buy, another sell, another buy. Anywhere I get this question too is like, Justin, what's your win rate percentage and what is the accuracy with these metrics? And you guys, honestly, it's anywhere between that 70 to 85%. And that's just what I've seen. And not only from what I've seen, of actually what I'm hearing from a lot of people too, is being able to pull out that much in the market. Let's see what this does right here. Looks like it just wants to keep pushing. I wouldn't be surprised if this does come and break below. We should be able to close out anywhere between probably $1,000 to $1,200. This is going to be, again, on a prop firm accounts here. This is trading with Take Profit Trader. If you guys haven't done so already, Take Profit Trader is actually really awesome. I do have a link in my description that'll actually give you guys 50% off all of your Take Profit accounts. Do not pay any more than you have to for prop firm accounts. If you can get 50% off, just like I did, my mentor actually brought me over to Take Profit, and that's why I bought accounts live here on YouTube for you guys to see a few weeks ago, probably about a month ago or so now, and just kind of showing you my journey throughout this entire process so far, and trying to develop these metrics better and better for you guys every version that comes out. I already have a couple things in mind that I'm going to keep to me just right now, but I have a couple things in mind that I'm actually going to be hopefully releasing another version in the coming month. That'll, again, every time just be a really good upgrade. Everyone who ends up grabbing these metrics, you guys remember this is free for life upgrades. I will mention I'm getting a lot of comments about NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader is something that I'm working on with Brad and myself as my coder, and it's something that we want to eventually release. It will be a separate source code, and it will be for a separate platform, which will be a separate cost. I just hope you guys understand that. If there's any upgrades to the NinjaTrader one in the future, of course, that will come with lifetime access as well. But this will be completely separate on here. But honestly, guys, I am a big fan, and actually more of a fan of Tradingview than NinjaTrader, just because of how many features you honestly have on these charts. It's just absolutely incredible. And you guys, the smoother we can make our trading style, and honestly, the easier we can see markets and just understand it, the better off we're going to be, either myself and with you guys. And honestly, you guys, I'm doing this to help myself become a better trader as well too. Nice little pop here. Currently about 1600 almost on this. What's nice over here on the DOM, this will actually tell you guys this green dot, this little education here. This is going to show you actually the high of the day, which is really nice. So if we end up breaking above that, this is where we can see price go quite a bit. The next level of support, or actually resistance. Oh, there we go, guys. That candle close. If this ends up coming below, I'm going to have to close out this trade. Let's do it here live with you guys. So 47 seconds left. This candle ended up just populating. If this ends up dropping below, I'm going to exit out here live with you guys. Call this a day on this trade. And that'll be it. And then I'll get off this video, go spend some time with the family, with the child. Or if this comes back up, I'm going to have to stay on here even longer, and you guys can watch me do that as well. So 26 seconds left on here. If this white dot ends up closing, that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this trade, and you guys can see the exact profit over here. 18 seconds left, 17 seconds left. I feel like it's New Year's, you guys. Let's count down together when it gets to 10. So we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. $1,245, just like that. I am exited out of the trade. Price ended up coming below, and I am done. That is exactly here, trading here with Take Profit, $1,245 from entry. Guys, why do I do that? Is exactly this reason. What happened to price right afterwards? It dropped right below. Entry into the market, which I had. Exit. How many points is this? Let's look together. This was my entry. This was my exit. This is a 31.75 point profit in the market just off of this trade alone. Worst case scenario, if you guys had gone this one here, let's go and move this up to this buy signal, 25 points in the market. And that is exactly how I'm doing this. So take a moment right after this video, if you guys want to head over to My Future Success, go ahead and grab these metrics. You guys, I do all the technical support in emails with myself, who's actually the founder of this. So you guys are speaking to me directly. If you guys have any issues loading these charts onto TradingView or anything like that, just give me an email. I'm always here to help. And then also take a look at Take Profit. I don't want it to be as like a push to anyone, but Take Profit has just been really good. It's been a great prop firm that I'm using over here and having some great experience. Guys, look at the sell-off. This is such a well-managed trade. Buy signal, stay within it for the profit wave, and then taking a short. Sell signal, as long as this at the end of this candle closes and all the parameters are met, a sell signal will be fired off here, and that is technically where you could actually enter in for a position to the downside. Because that is it for today. I'm going to be getting off here and enjoying it with the family, heading down to the pub later, enjoying a pint after closing out a successful trade this morning. But if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'm always here to help. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Take care.